Bonjour les amis! Hello everyone, I hope that you are doing well. Today I want, sorry for the mess, I'm at home in China and I'm going to cook with you some French pancake, les crêpes. Les crêpes is a very, it's a specialty, it's very popular in France, especially in Brittany, en Bretagne, la Bretagne. Donc les crêpes sont une spécialité de la Bretagne. Okay, the pancake, the French pancake. Today, the recipe that I'm giving you is the best recipe. It's the best recipe of the crepe, and I'm telling you all the secrets. You know how it is. People, they know the recipe, they keep it for themselves. Yeah? They will not tell you the secret, and that's what makes the difference between a good restaurant and a bad restaurant. The big chef, les grands chefs, they have all these recipes, they have all these secrets. They're not going to share it with you. So today, this recipe I'm really sharing with you. Give me thumbs up. I'm not a good cook, as you know. But I will do my best. Okay, so first of all, it's very simple. You just need to know the right ingredients and the right quantity. So that's all that matters. The right ingredient, the right quantities, and you mix it all together. So I took my phone so I don't make any mistake. I wrote everything there on my phone. First, you want 5 eggs, 5 œufs, un œuf. So let me break the egg. 9. I just had some little bit issue with the eggs. They fell on the floor. I had a whole bag full of eggs. Only 2 of them are kept okay. But here we have 5 eggs. I was able to find. Donc 2 œufs. 2 œufs. 3 œufs. And you need to be careful that when you break the egg, it doesn't get inside. No, pas de coquille. Pas de coquille. La coquille de l'œuf. La coquille, the outside, la coquille de l'œuf. Don't put any, ne mettez pas de coquille. Donc voilà. 3 œufs, 4 œufs. 3 œufs, 4 œufs. 4 œufs. 5 œufs. 5 œufs. Woohoo! 5 œufs. Now we're going to put all the flours and everything. Donc la farine. So we have 2 types of farine. 100 grammes et 100 grammes. One here is one of the secret of the recipe. Is we use the corn flour. La farine de maïs. La farine de maïs. 100 grammes. 100 grammes de farine de maïs. So here it is. J'ai ma petite balance ici. I have my little balance ici. Hein. Donc je vais regarder 100 grammes. It's very important to put the right quantity. C'est bien important, hein, faut mettre la bonne quantité. Si vous en mettez pas assez, hop, voilà. Encore un tout petit peu. 100 grammes. 100 grammes de farine de maïs. La farine de maïs. The farine de maïs is yellow. It's a yellow color. Okay. So here I have 100 grammes. You can see. Well, you cannot see very well, I think, but yeah, okay, you get the idea. Just that's the corn flour. Okay, it's yellow. 100 grammes. And je le mets dedans. Hein. Hop, voilà. Je le mets dedans. Et maintenant, la farine. La farine. Of course, the quality of the ingredient also matters. But even if you don't have the best quality ingredients, even you don't have the best flour, even you don't have the farm eggs, the fresh milk, you'll still get a good result with this recipe. Okay? Donc 100 grammes de farine, la farine blanche. Woohoo! 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 100 grammes de farine. Et voilà. Voilà, donc j'ai 100 grammes et 100 grammes de farine. Je mets ici, là. Hein? You need to be well organized, not like me. So, ok. 100 grammes de farine. Hey, la farine blanche. La farine blanche that I put inside. Voilà. La farine blanche. Et maintenant, nous avons besoin du lait. Alors, combien de lait? Combien de lait? Let me just check because I don't want to make any mistake. Alors, il faut 250 millilitres de lait. Ça, c'est du lait de Poland. It's the Poland milk. It's not the best, but I'm here in China. You know, in China, all the food ingredients are of very poor quality. Donc 250 grammes. This one is 235 millimeter, which is 1 cup, so I need to put a little bit more than this one. 250 millilitres, pardon. 250 millilitres. Oh là. Oula, oula. On se calme, hein. Oula là 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 là. Wow, 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 wow. Ah, ok. Donc ici, j'ai 235 millilitres que je verse. Voilà. Let me add a little bit more. As we said, we need a little bit more. Et voilà. Très bien. And now, this is the other secret of the recipe. I told you the first secret, le premier secret, the first secret was the corn flour. So, le premier secret, c'était la farine de maïs. Le deuxième secret, la bière. So, take some beer. In fact, when you are, I'm not sure how to open the beer because I seldom drink. I don't even know if I can. Ah, yeah, I can open the beer here. I never drink, so I'm. And the beer is not a French thing anyway. So, I'm worried. Ok, parfait. Parfait! Ok, donc 250 millilitres de bière. So, in French, en France, they use a special milk which is called le lait Bizot. Le lait Bizot, it has a little bit gas inside and this will give the special taste. You see, 250, donc ici on a 235 millilitres. Woo! And let's put a little bit more. Unfortunately, I think I made a little bit mistake. Ok. Et maintenant, vous mélangez. Vous mélangez. Ok. So you need to mix it up. But here I made a little bit mistake. My bowl is too small. I was looking for a better bowl, but my bowl is too small. Ok. Je vais vous montrer un peu là. Comme ça, je penche la caméra. J'espère que vous voyez bien. Voilà, c'est comme ça que c'est à ça que ça ressemble. Il faut bien mélanger. So you mix everything together. Then you add one last ingredient that I forgot, which is le sucre, the sugar, le sucre ici. So the sucre and the salt. Le sucre is how many? The sugar is 50 grammes de sucre. Donc 50 grammes de sucre. Bon, ici j'ai pris du sucre. Voilà, 50 grammes de sucre, hein, je mets là, tranquille. Ok, a little bit more. Okay. Parfait. I think it's 50 grammes, yeah. Oui, comme ça. Donc j'ai mis 50 grammes de sucre là-dedans. Et maintenant, j'ai juste besoin, what I need to do is mix. I forgot a pinch of salt, so you need to put a pinch of salt, and that's it, and you mixed. Then you put in the fridge, for at least 4 hours. Au frigidaire pendant 4 heures. And then it's ready. Then you just need to put the pancake and to do the pancake, and it's delicious. Of course, if you want to make it even better or change the taste, you can put some vanilla. I forgot to tell you, you also need to add some oil, a little bit oil. So you add a little bit oil. If you have some butter, you can put butter. The butter makes the taste even better. It's richer, right? The butter. But the oil is okay. And if you have some vanilla, you can put some vanilla. But this is just like, okay. So the salt, I still need to put the salt and the oil. And I'm done. You know? Okay. Attendez, les amis. Je vais aller chercher. I will go and fetch the oil. Okay. So I'm mixing everything. Je mélange. 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 Je mélange, 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 je mélange. mélange, je mélange. Okay, here you are. Well, you need to mix it well. Huh? I didn't mix it very well. You need to mix it very well. Okay. Let me add the oil so you can see everything. Je cherche l'huile. Et hop. L'huile. You can put the butter if you want, but the oil is okay too. Okay. Woof woof. Woof woof. Okay, just a little bit like this. Woof woof. Woof woof. And the salt. Et le sel. L'huile et le sel. Okay, we finished, hein. Je vous laisse, donc a little bit salt. Okay. Voilà. Merci. La meilleure recette des crêpes. It's the best recipe for the crepe, for the French pancake. Give me thumbs up, try it at home, you will see. La meilleure recette, la recette de secret, le secret de la recette des crêpes. The secret of the French pancake. Merci, au revoir les amis.